I'm going to show you how to assemble and install the cornea cell top. First, we'll place the plunger upside down on the bench, and we'll place our cornea sample on top of the plunger. Then we'll take the base, slide the base over the plunger so that the two mating surfaces pinch the cornea sample. Turn it right side up, screw on the hold down collar, install the top on the cell, and we'll fill the cell up with our media. Put the cell on the instrument, and you're going to want to heat the cell up, and when it's at temperature, we would apply our dosage right in here, and then start your test.